So guys, this is all our ingredients we'll be using to make this okra soup. Over here we have dry fish. This is how it came. I used 2 of this pack. And we have our cow skin already washed and chopped. We have our red bell pepper, it's chopped already. We have our chopped onion. Of course, this is the style of the dish. Our okra, this is how it looks like before it gets chopped. We have our red oil, we have our salt, we have our goat meat, we have our shaki, we have our fresh fish, mangi to taste, seasoning cube to taste, ground crayfish. I will have our pepper blend, which consists of red bell pepper, onion, and fresh pepper. So let's get into the video proper. So guys, the first thing you do is to put your washed beef. So I just came to check the meat. Please don't forget to check on your meat regularly so it won't get burnt. As you can see, this is the water that the meat's own water. This is it. I haven't added my own water, so I'm still going to let it to get boiled for some time. Let me cover it up. It's already smelling good, honestly. So now I want to add water so it can get well cooked, very well. So you stir on an empty pot, on a clean pot. You add your palm oil, please don't allow it get bleached before you add your chopped onions. We are not bleaching the oil, so you add your onion. And stir. So leave it for like 1 minute. These are pepper blend, guys. Don't forget it consists of blended onion, blended fresh pepper, and blended red bell pepper. So you stir like so and allow it to get fried for some time. When you see the oil sits on top of the tomato, that's when you know it's well fried. So I'll show you once we get to that stage. So let's give it some time to get fried. So guys, once you see the oil sitting at the top of the pepper blend like this, you know it's properly fried. As you can see, it's not very watery anymore. So let's just continue. So now we'll add boiled shaki and goat meat to it. This is what it looks like right now. It's properly boiled. I ensure it's properly boiled because who wants to eat a hard meat in okra soup? So I'll add it with the water like so, and you stir. Guys, please try this method and I promise you would love it. This is the base. This gives it a very different taste from your regular okra. So now guys, it's time to add our ground crayfish to it. So guys, let's taste for salt. You know, we just added the meat stock, so we had seasoning cube in it and other stuff. So let's taste. Sorry for the noise at the background. So it's time to add our chopped okra. Now we'll add our pomo that we removed before, so it doesn't get too soft, because the pomo here is very tender. So if you boil it for a very long time, it will just lose the crunchiness in it. Then I'll stir. So now let's serve our okra soup. And mix. I hope you like it, guys.